So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products for free, and it's going to be simple and it's a beginner's guide. So guys, let's get started. So as you could see on my screen, guys, you can just make money just like this. You can make $100 to $100 every day without spending any money, right? So first things first, guys, before we begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So as you could see on my screen right now, again, this is my Clickbank. So the first step is all you have to do is find a product. So it's the most easiest. Okay, so first thing is all you have to do is go on marketplace, click on view all offers, and sort by gravity. Once you are here, you know this the top product is this one, right? So now all you have to do is go on Bitly. Okay, go on Bitly, just log in with your Google ID. Once you log in with your Google ID, all you have to do is create new link. Now you can go back to your Clickbank. You can just click on promote, create a hop link, just copy this thing and then paste it just to check if the link is working or not. So as you could see, the link is working right now, right? So this is the link. Now the next thing which you need to do is go on Bitly, paste your link, and you can name the product name over here, which is this one. It's already over here, and then you can create. Once that's done, right, all you have to do is copy it in the notepad. So first step is done where we create a short link. So let me just do this. Okay. Now the second step is finding keywords. So usually what you can do is you can find keywords over here. Okay, so there are, you can see the demographics, right? So it's going to be helpful for us as well, right? So again, USA, Canada, and again, male and female, 50-50. Okay, now next thing is just go on Google search and write how to lose weight fast. Okay, and now, and then you can space in 2 weeks how to lose weight fast without exercise. So we found a keyword like this, right? So again, now the second step is done where we are going to create a video on this topic, right? How to lose weight fast without exercise, create video. Okay, and we are going to create shorts. So now all you have to do is when you go on YouTube, so let me open it up. I go on YouTube. So again, if you're still watching this, you can subscribe me. But now once you're in YouTube, all you have to do is how to lose weight fast without exercise. So as you could see, there are a lot of shorts, and imagine 99,760K, 1000, and it's only 10-15 seconds video or less than 1 minute video. So now we need to create a video, but I'm going to show you a simple way to create it. And before we create a video, let me give you an example. So you can see 400,000, right? 400,000. We'll take the worst conversion rate, 0.001. Yeah. So that means you're going to get 400 conversions. That's the worst case scenario. Into $100 would be your average order value. That's going to be a lot, right? But again, you cannot directly get 400,000. You need to build up your channel, right? 6.8 million, and it's very simple. So now we know we are going to create a video for this keyword. So again, we already have typed this on Google. Now all we need to do is just go on Canva. Once you go on Canva, type YouTube Shorts. So click on YouTube Shorts. Once you're on YouTube Shorts, all you have to do is create a blank template or create a blank YouTube template. Once you click over here, now all you have to do is click on Elements. Once you're in your Elements, type DIET. Once you click on Diet, all you have to do is click on Videos, and there are a lot of free videos where you can just click here and paste it. Yeah. So it looks really good. I'm gonna make it small. Okay, now the next thing which I'm going to do is click on Elements, paste the element over here, make the element really big. Okay, because we are going to create an overlay, right? Now the next thing which you need to do is click over here, make the transparency a little less like this. Now click on text, add a headline, paste this headline over here, how to lose weight fast without exercise. Click on effects, click on add background. So this looks really catchy, right? How to lose weight fast without exercise. Once that's done, all you need to do is just duplicate the slide. Okay, duplicate. Now go back on Google again, start with protein. Where is my Canva? Okay, now you could come here, start with protein. watch your protein, stay hydrated. Go on the second, stay hydrated. Now again, you can do it for 3-4 times as well. So just duplicate and add all of these things. So let me do one more time so you can get an idea. Duplicate. Come here, avoid sweets and unhealthy snacks and unhealthy foods. Okay, this is in foods. Okay, now you can create one more page. Just duplicate this as well. Now again, come back on the last slide. So once you have added all the points, now again you can come back how to lose weight. So you can just put the title again, how to lose weight without exercise. Then you can just add this, want to learn, just make this much better. To learn how to lose weight without exercise. The last thing which you do is just click on visit the website link in comments. Okay, and once that's done, now what you could do is just click on elements. You can go on that again and click on videos and try to change the videos as well, right? So for this one I could use this or use something like this one. Delete. It's just drag and drop. So let me find a good video. This looks good. And just click over here. This. And make this small. And try to change the videos, right? This one looks good, right? Copy this. Paste it. Okay, and now delete this one, right? And also one more thing which you need to do is, all you have to do is go on Google. Okay, weight loss transformation. Just copy this thing, copy image, go back on Canva, just paste it over here. Then you can just put like this and make it much better. Again, just find the right image. If I go on uploads, this one looks really good, right? It's the same. You can just go back and take this one, copy image. Not loading for some reason. And this one, so copy image, come back on this, delete this, paste it over here. So now this one looks good. And also you can add audio as well. So you can get something from YouTube audio library, or you can use this one as well. So we can add a video. Let me add a video over here. Drop music. Let me play it. It's loading. So I've added the music as well and looks really good, like how to lose weight. Start with meal, protein, stay hydrated, and you can add an image. Then you can just say share. You can just download. Once you download this thing, I can just say download. Once you are done downloading with it, all you have to do is just go on YouTube. So once the video is created, all you have to do is just paste over here, upload the video. Once the video is done, all you have to do is how to lose weight part 1. And again, it's a short, right? So you can say hashtag weight loss. Okay. Now it's processing the video, remove everything. Okay, paste it over how to lose weight with exercise. And then once you post it, you need to add your comments. So if I go back on my this thing, so again 3 steps. Third step was post the video. This one was create the video shorts, right? And once you do this thing, once you say post the video, in your comments make sure you add this link. So post the video, add link to the comments, right? And this is how you can start making money, guys. So once this is done, I'm not going to upload it on my channel, but you get an example. So as you could see, YouTube video link, and this is a short, so you know it's a short, and that's it, right? And you can add the description whatever you want, but at the comments you need to add your link. And you could say want to learn how to lose weight without exercise, then check out our free presentation, and then you can just add the arrows, and that's it. And this is what you paste in the comments. And I think so that's it for today's video. And again, you can try out with 10-15 videos, and within a month, once your YouTube ads start ranking, you will start making money on autopilot. So I hope you really like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.